Hey Chris, how are you doing? First off, happy Veterans Day if you served. And I was just looking at your website and I found a couple of things that I think may be helpful for you to help it rank higher than Google, so your website could, help bring in some more business for you. So first off, you have a really cool website. I like it, and I like that you got roofing DFW Texas. That's pretty nice too. I bet that was hard to get. But I was wondering why you weren't ranking higher, and so I did a quick analysis of your site. I put the URL in this tool, and it tells me what your title tag is, meta description, and your H1 tag. So for title tag, normally I would suggest that you have a specific area in your title tag for this page, not have an entire area, because that makes it extremely hard to rank. You want to kind of focus in on one area, rank there, and then spread out to other areas. That makes it easier, and you get revenue in quickly. Meta description is fine. H1 header tag. Now this H1 header tag is very important. It's kind of like the title to your book, and it's the front page that Google looks at, and it tells Google, okay, this is what I do, and this is what I want you to rank me for. So right now, it's got roofing contractor, Arlington, Texas, which is good, but it has a lot of other H1s, and there are too many, and it can confuse Google. You need to kind of focus in, really just have one of exactly what you want to rank for, and then with maybe supplemental tags later on, other things you'd like to rank for as well. So just a thought, but I believe that would help. And so since you're in Arlington, I did a Google search of Arlington Roofer to see where you ranked. Now, one thing I wanted to show you was, and this is something I didn't know for a while, but with Google Chrome, if you open that and then put in Arlington Roofer, and you find your name and you click on it, you want to see where you're ranking. The more you click on your name, Google's smart, and they're going to know, hey, this guy keeps clicking on this website. I'm going to raise this website in the rankings because I know this person clicks on it all the time, so I'm making it more convenient for this person. So if you want a true indication of where your site ranks, you need to open an incognito window, because that doesn't store any history. And then when you do a search on Arlington Roofer, it'd be the same as anybody in Arlington doing the search, and you can truly see where your website comes up. So when I did that, it had you on page 3, right around, here you go, right around here, kind of, I guess, middle of page 3. So if you wanted some help to, get this website really working for you, shoot it up in the rankings, get it onto page 1. For a lot of people don't know this, but with page 1, 96% of the clicks that everybody does on websites are on page 1, and 87% of those clicks are on the organic websites for the rankings here. These not the ads that you see up here, but on actual organic rankings. So this is where, if you can get to the top of page 1, especially in organic rankings, you are one of the top roofers in the area. You are getting tons of revenue. You will double, triple your revenue, guaranteed. Well, that's it. Hope this was helpful. And if you need any help with anything, just respond to my email or give me a call. I'll talk to you later. Bye.